Hey, welcome to the First American Insurance Agency YouTube channel. We're glad you're here. This is exciting, entertaining, enlightening stuff, I promise. So what we're going to do today is go and talk to one of our senior account executives. We're going to find out some useful information on property insurance. It's going to be really helpful for you to determine how to choose your insurance, some aspects of things you may have never heard about. So let's go. Come on. Let's go follow me. Come on. We're going to go over to this guy's office. And here we are. This is Joey Terranova. Joey Terranova, one of our senior account executives, 20 years in the industry. He's also a certified trusted risk advisor, which is a big deal, believe it or not. Joey, welcome.
Good morning, Doug.
What are you going to talk about today, Joey?
Today we're going to talk about roof policies on your homeowner's insurance. Seeing how Colorado is in the top 3 of the wind and hail states, you hear a lot about the hail, and so we're going to talk about roof replacement. So generally speaking, there are 2 types of roof replacement. One is replacement cost, or RC, or actual cash value, or ACV. So let's talk about replacement cost first. So what that means is that your carrier, if you have replacement cost, will replace your entire roof minus your deductible. So there's no depreciation there. If you have ACV, or actual cash value, what that could mean is that you could have a depreciated value. So what that means is they would take into account how old your roof is, and they would depreciate it X amount of dollars, then minus your deductible, and then that's when they would pay. So there is a huge difference with the ACV versus RC replacement costs. Something you need to definitely be aware of, and also be aware of your wind and hail deductible.
So Joey, tell me, are all carriers, insurance carriers, they going to treat this the same, or are there some differences there too?
No, there can be a lot of differences. Some carriers have, like I said, full replacement cost, but some of them put a cap on that. So you might only have full replacement cost for the first 10 years of the life of your roof, and then it goes to ACV. Some carriers will give you replacement cost for the total duration of your roof. Now, one thing with roofs, they never are replaced for just wear and tear. It has to be a cause of loss, such as wind or hail.
Very, very good. Useful information, sir. Appreciate that very much. So at First American, this is the type of treatment that we give all of our clients, and the trusted risk advisor nature that I mentioned earlier, where Joey's certified, I'm certified as well, and we have another producer that are certified trusted risk advisors. We're not just looking at price. We're wanting to make sure that your policy will work when you need it, which is at the time of loss. You need to know that it's going to work the way you want it to work. So here we try to educate our clients to make sure they know what they're getting when they purchase it. That's a big deal for us at First American. So again, I'm Doug Montgomery, Senior Account Executive and Agency Partner here at First American. Joey Terranova, thanks for being with us. We just appreciate you viewing in, and look for more on the First American Insurance Agency YouTube channel, because we're going to have a lot of these videos coming out. We thank you so much for being with us today.